Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing apps. Now tap on app lock and choose turn on. Following that, you need to create your pattern and repeat it. When you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner, and over here you can sign in and add your Me account, or choose Don't Add Account, wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now. If you wish to lock all of those, just choose Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to tap on all of those apps. Look over here to see if it's 0 and tap on Use App Lock then. If you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps as well, go into settings and follow the instructions. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel and simply click on the switcher next to an app that I wish to lock, like YouTube. Then when I click home button and try to access YouTube, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!